For question number 5 in the homework one, suppose 100 people are waiting for a blood test for a kind of disease. The probability that for one person the test result is positive equals 0.1. Two test methods are as follows. Method 1, test each person one by one. Then we have to do 100 tests. Method 2, divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group. Then mix 10 people's blood and test that mixture. If the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative. If the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. Now, the number of tests become 11. So the question is, on the average, what's the number of the tests we need to do by the second method? So for the question 5, in the second method, the number of tests is either 1 or 11. So set x is the number of tests for each group. So in the second method, the average number of tests for each group is the probability that the test number equal to 1, and we only need to do one test, and also plus the probability the test number equal to 11, and we need to do the test 11 times. Okay, so here, so for the test number, we only need to do the test one times, since if the group, all the people in the group, or 10 people in the group has negative value. So basically, which means all people have positive, has negative results, which means, so here, so the probability of the positive result is 0.1. So the negative probability for each people is 1 minus 0.1. And we need all the people in that group, 10 people in that group has negative results. So basically the probability we need to do the only one times is all the people in the group get a negative result, and we only need to do one time test. For the second part, we need to do 11 tests. So as long as there's the mixture test positive. So basically, which means since in the second method said we either do 1 or 11, so there may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 people got positive result in this group, which means it's basically it's x equal to 1 bar. So it's the probability, the test number we need to do 11 tests is 1 minus the probability we need to one test. And we need to do 11 tests. So the approximate max, the number of the probability of here is 0. 0.235 times 1 plus 1 minus 0.35 times 11 is approximately 0.35 plus 0.65, no, 0.65 times 11 is equal to 7.5. So that's the number of tests on average. That's on average the number of tests we need to do for each group. And we have 10 groups. So total number of tests for second method is time times 7.5 equal to 75 times.